Hello everybody, welcome and thank you for joining me on another little birding adventure. Unlike my last video, it is beautiful weather today. I mean, look at that sunshine. I'm at one of my favorite local birding spots. This area has water, it has beach, it has grassy fields, it has forest. Often I'll find eastern meadowlarks here and bluebirds. I'm hoping we see those today. No matter what, I'm pretty sure we're gonna see some cool stuff. So let's go on a little adventure. I've been hearing a very exuberant northern house wren in this little thicket right over here. Do you hear that? And I hear an eastern meadowlark in the distance, so a lot of stuff has come back over the last couple of weeks thanks to migration. Hopefully we'll actually see some of these birds. We're now gonna head over to some fields nearby where I know that I can usually see some eastern meadowlarks. They're very hard to sneak up on. I'll often see them flying away from me first. Part of my motivation on getting such an enormous lens was to hopefully get closer photos of them. But as it turns out, when you get a bigger lens, everything just gets farther away. You hear that? They have such a beautiful song. Yeah, it's somewhere over here. Let's see if we can find it. So I found him. He is right there. They like being up high where they sing this beautiful song. I wonder if I can get closer without it flying away. Let's see. Well, I pushed my luck and apparently 250 meters, almost 300, was too close. I am hearing a field sparrow in this field, and there's a lot of tree swallows around. I love tree swallows. They look like little fighter pilots, and their blue backs are just so vibrant. Oh, I hope we see some up close. A long time ago, I got some really awesome shots of a tree swallow who did not mind at all that I was nearby. Just went about grooming, cleaning his wings, stretching. It was so cool, and yeah, still love those photos. I've been hearing a little field sparrow on the other side of these larch trees. I'm gonna try to squeeze through here. They have a very kind of soft gray face and a very light line, outline around the eyes. They're very pretty birds. Usually when they're singing, they're right at the top of a tree. This one, I hope, makes its way to the top of a tree. There are some very chatty chickadees right here. They're so cute. They're common, but they're cute. I'm entering this field where there are a ton of nesting boxes, and this is often where the tree swallows are. So it'd be cool if we could see some up close today. And I also hear another meadowlark off in the distance, so maybe we'll get lucky. I feel like I've really lucked out on this little adventure today. I am surrounded by so many birds. I just can't believe the photos and videos that I captured of them today. Okay, a meadowlark just landed right in front of me. That was so awesome. Oh my God, I'm so excited. They're so beautiful, right? Like vibrant yellow. I mean, wow. And the song that they sing is just so gorgeous too. Oh my God. I'm truly at risk of never leaving this field if I don't get going. I've already been out for over an hour and a half. This has just beyond exceeded my expectations. You know, another thing that I really love about birding is like, look at this smile on my face. You just can't not be happy while doing it. I can't believe this. Another eastern meadowlark. This is crazy. It's almost like this guy heard that, like, I thought eastern meadowlarks always fly away and are always scared, and he was out to prove me wrong. Wow, did you hear the eastern meadowlark just now? Against all odds, I made it back to my car, and yeah, another eastern meadowlark is right over there. So maybe I'm wrong. Maybe they're really friendly, they're not scared at all, and they love being close to me. I don't know. That was really, really fulfilling. I set out to see those eastern meadowlarks and the bluebirds, and I got so much more than I could have ever hoped for. I am so grateful. That was really amazing. Thank you all for joining me on this little birding adventure. I hope that it brought you some joy today and that you got to see some things that maybe you've never seen before and that you didn't know were around here. That's one of the things that I really love about birding. There's just so much beauty to see every day that you step outside and actually pay attention. So get out there and enjoy. Thanks for watching.